In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep your development work and your task management perfectly in sync. You'll be able to link commits and pull requests directly to ClickUp tasks, which makes tracking progress and collaborating with your team a lot easier. Let's start inside ClickUp. First, log into your ClickUp workspace as you normally would. Make sure you're using an account that has permission to manage apps and integrations for your workspace. If you're not sure, you can quickly check with your workspace admin before you continue. Once you're in ClickUp, you can begin this process from anywhere in the app. Look over to the left-hand sidebar where you see your spaces, dashboards, and other navigation options. In that column, find and click on the option labeled More. This is where ClickUp keeps additional tools and settings that don't fit in the main navigation. After you open the More menu, look for the item called Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is where you manage integrations between ClickUp and other platforms, including GitHub. Inside the Apps page, you'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll through the list until you find GitHub, then click on it. This will open the GitHub integration details and setup options. On the GitHub integration screen, click the Connect button. This is what starts the process of linking your ClickUp workspace to your GitHub account. A new window or pop-up from GitHub will appear. Here, you'll be asked to sign into GitHub if you aren't already logged in. Enter your GitHub email address or username and your password, then proceed to sign in. Make sure you're using the GitHub account that has access to the repositories you want to connect. Once your details are entered, click on the Sign In button to continue. If you prefer, you might also see options to authenticate using Continue with Google or Continue with Apple, depending on what you've previously set up with GitHub. You can choose one of those instead and just follow the prompts. After you're logged into GitHub, you'll see a permission screen where GitHub asks if you want to grant ClickUp access. Review the requested permissions so you're comfortable with what ClickUp will be able to do. When you're ready, approve the access. Once access is granted on the GitHub side, GitHub will redirect you back to ClickUp. In ClickUp, you'll see a confirmation step. Click the Next or Confirm button there to finalize the connection. At this point, your ClickUp workspace is successfully integrated with GitHub, and you can begin linking